I know I look crazy, but don't panic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today we're diving into a mask skincare video. I am super excited. So a few weeks ago, I went to Lush here at the Dallas Galleria in Dallas, Texas, and I picked up a new mask called Don't Look at Me. I've been trying it out for a couple of weeks, and so I just wanted to come on here, put it on for you guys, and share with you my thoughts on this mask. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's put her on. Lush does a lot of products. They do a lot of bath products, so from body soaps, hand soaps, shampoos. They are really known for their bath bombs, and they also have a good variety of face masks to try. So the company as a whole, they're 100% vegetarian, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, everything is handmade, it's ethnically sold, and everything is recyclable, like their packaging is recyclable. So they do encourage that if you save up at least 5 containers that you can go back and you'll receive like a free mask or something. So that is nice that they are encouraging recycling and reusing their packaging. So this mask is really nice because it is made with cleansing lemon juice, and so it has a really nice citrus scent, which I really like when I'm applying this mask. And it also has scrubbing ground rice, which is used as a really good way to exfoliate your skin. So I have been using this mask at least twice a week, and I have noticed that my skin is very soft, and I don't have as many, it's not as textured as it usually is. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and apply our mask. So before I apply any type of mask or skincare, I like to go ahead and cleanse my face just of like the daily oils and all the gunk that collects. So I'm going to go ahead and use my FARMACY brand. This is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This is a really nice, everyday soft cleanser that I use, and it doesn't feel like my skin is stripped. It just really feels fresh and clean, and I like to apply any type of mask after I have cleansed my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my face is nice and cleansed and clean, and I feel like it's just now ready for a nice exfoliating moment and to bring back some hydration to my skin. So let's go ahead and apply Don't Look at Me from Lush. Again, it's this really nice blue color. It's so pretty and it smells amazing. Now you can use a silicone applicator or any type of external tool to dip into the product, but I like to use my fingers, but I just make sure that my hands are nice and washed before I dip into the mask product itself. So yeah, so let's just get a good amount on my finger, and then we're just gonna spread it all over my face, and I'm just looking to add a nice layer, not too gunky or piled up, but just an even layer all over my face. So I finished applying the mask to my face, and it is very cooling, also because it was kept in the fridge, so it feels really nice and refreshing when you apply it to your skin. And I feel like the rice, so the scrubbing rice that's in this, gives a really nice exfoliating texture. It's not abrasive, so it's not like super large chunks or super sharp chunks. It just feels like it's going to scrub really nicely once you wash it off. So right now it doesn't feel heavy or anything for the layer that I put on. It's really nice and thin and just spread out evenly around my face. I do avoid my eyes. This is a citrusy type of mask, so I don't want to get it into my eyes or anything. And yeah, it smells really refreshing. It's not overbearing, and I do have very sensitive migraines, so the citrus scent in this is okay. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes, and I will be right back right before we wash it off. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, and this mask has definitely tightened up a bit, which it doesn't feel uncomfortable or anything, but it's just like any other mask that would do a little tightening. So it is completely dried down to my face. There's not anything, no like residues. So far it feels really nice. You still get that very lemon citrusy scent, but again, it is not overbearing, and it just feels really refreshing, and it smells really just like calming. So what I'm gonna do is wash this off of my face, and I will be right back, and we'll see what my skin looks like. I did actually also want to show you what it looks like as I'm washing it off my face. So once you get water in contact with the mask, it does start to dissolve, and you start to feel the scrubby rice granules a little bit more. And really, as I'm washing it off, I just go in circular motions all over my face, and you really get that nice exfoliating feeling, and this really adds to that soft feeling at the end. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the rest of my face and just keep doing these circular motions, and then rinse it all off, and I will be right back. Okay, so at this point I have loosened up the mask with water, and so now what's left is really the scrubby rice, and I just spend a few moments just really rubbing, well, not like deeply rubbing, but just rubbing all over my face, and this just helps exfoliate my skin rather than just like washing it all off. I just like to take a few moments with it and just really make sure that I have properly exfoliated. But I feel like by taking a few moments to really just rub this into your skin, it really adds to that soft feeling at the end when you rinse it all off. And I am going a little bit like under my eyes here. I do have a lot of like dry patches right here, so I like to just spend a little bit more focus on where I know dry skin likes to accumulate on my face. Okay, so with that, now I'm ready to just rinse it all off. I have washed off the mask, and honestly, you guys, my skin feels so soft, and I think the lemon juice in this mask has really been helping with like that radiant glow to my skin. My skin has been glowing without any like makeup, you know, like it's just that natural glow, but honestly it feels so very soft. So I really have been enjoying this mask. After any type of mask, I really do like to go in with a toner just to help control my oils, and I am a combination of oil and dry, but in the summertime, you guys, my skin is like, it produces enough oil to fry chicken. Like that's how oily I get. So I've been using this oil. Is it OLEHENRIKSEN or OLEHENRIKSEN? I like to say OLEHENRIKSEN. But I've been using this OLEHENRIKSEN Balance. So this is the Balancing Focus Oil Control Toner, and it's a green fusion complex mixture. And I really have been enjoying this for keeping my oils just like at bay, controlled. So I'm going in with just a cotton pad here, applying some of the toner on here, and what I'll do is just run over my face, and I am avoiding my eyes as much as possible. And this just has been a really good step to take. And I use this toner daily, so after my cleansing in the morning and at night. And it really just has been helping just reduce how much oil that I produce throughout the day. And it is a really good step for me to take before applying makeup, because then I don't get as oily with foundation sitting on my face all day. Yeah, so just one pass through my whole face. So that completes my skincare application, and that completes my thoughts on the Don't Look at Me Lush face mask. And again, I would highly recommend this mask. This is just a great kind of like rejuvenating. It's great for adding that radiance, and your skin will feel very, very smooth after trying this mask. So if you do have it, what do you think of your mask? And if you want to recommend a mask from Lush that I should try, then please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I really enjoyed sharing this item with you, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.